Good afternoon everyone, welcome back. It is cloudy day from Kura Beach, guys. Look at this. I think we will have rain soon. It's black thick cloud there, but anyway, this is the situation here. Kura Beach in front of or nearby the Mamaka Hotel. As you can see, the beach is pretty clean, which is good to see that. And yeah, there are some people or tourists enjoying their time here. And now you can see kind of like food trucks and a coffee station. You can have your dim sum. Oh, look at that. That is the price. Dim sum Bali, 20,000. Start from 20,000 rupiah. And you can sit here and enjoy food and enjoy the view of the beach. And here is coffee station. This is something new from this beach. And of course, you can see a lot of people also selling their drinks and their coconuts here. And I know some of you have your, what you call that, yeah, favorite bars or local bars when you come here, yeah. I think I have a request also last time to see one of the bar here. I forgot again the name. But yeah, I hope you can see your favorite barman here. It's not really a good day today because of the weather. Normally people like to see sunset here. But unfortunately today, yeah, it's cloudy. Hopefully it will not rain soon. I just keep walking. But at least there are some tourists enjoying their time by the beach, guys. You love to play skateboard? You can come here. Let's have quick look. Wow, look at this. Wow, be careful. Wow, this guy is doing good. Whoop, woo. Okay. Wow. Zoop. Wow. It looks fun, but of course they have their skill already. And also some more food trucks here. What they sell? Oh, burger, hot dogs. Start from 15k, guys. Chicken wings. Wow, this one looks good. Maybe you can try next time. But anyway, it's been quite a long time that I didn't go to Jalan Banasari. So today I want to walk and show you what is happening there, guys. I think maybe some of you like to stay around there or visit the bar. But first we need to cross this busy street, guys. For you the first time to come to Bali, you cannot wait until they stop, but you have to walk and make them stop for you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's how you do it in Bali. Welcome to Bali. Okay, here you can get some corn, and also I passed by my favorite mie ayam there. Wow, it's really busy. People are going out from Jalan Banasari. This is Jalan Banasari, guys. Let's just keep walking. Anyway, here there are some shops, but they have closed at this time. And next to it here, there are some cafe restaurants, I think. Yeah, pizza. This is quite new, Pizza Hub. And this is Indonesian food. Prasmanan style. Hello. Prasmanan style as well. And you can choose whatever you like there. This is something new here. What is this? CU coffee or something? Kind of like coffee shop. CU Coffee Food and Sunset. That is new actually. I didn't see it last time. Would you like to go there maybe? And this is the hotel, guys. And this is Kuta Beach Hotel. From outside looks good. I don't know about the room. You can see a little bit from here, the lobby. The good thing is the location is very close to the beach, guys. Wow, what is this? New bar? Karaoke bar? Wow, it is fun. Wow, it's good. You can sing there. Last time someone asked me where we can do the karaoke. Yeah, you can go there by the hotel. And also, I think at Legian Pub Bali, guys, you can do karaoke as well. There should be a lot of bars that can do karaoke. And here is the Naughty Duck. That is quite famous place also. I think they have their loyal customers, guys. Customers keep coming back to this place. And along this street, there are a lot of businesses, of course. Spas, warung. Here is Warung Adam. I think they are selling a lot of Indonesian food as well. Pasta. Here, hello. Yeah, it's another Indonesian food. You can see their price here. Nasi goreng 35k. And many things, guys. This is the price. Wow, there is a new bar here. You can play the pool table as well. There are some new stuff here. New cafe, new warung, new bar. But that's normal. In a touristy area, some business closed down, some new business come up. Yeah, but I hope everyone will enjoy their stay around here. And here on the left side, I think someone also mentioned about this hotel, Hotel Lusa. Free hotspot and internet swimming pool. Let's have like quick look, guys, from outside here. Look at that. They have big swimming pool there. Must be all the rooms there. Is it your favorite hotel here? I think it's not really new hotel, but it looks good. And the location is very good, I can say. Just walk like 5 minutes, you will arrive at the beach. And here in front of the hotel, guys, there is a new bar as well. Royal Bali. How you pronounce it? I don't even know how to pronounce it. That's the name of the bar. Royale Bali? Something like that. And if you keep going there, you will go to Dabana Hotel and also Komala Indah. It's one location there. Let's keep walking. Well, look at this. It was a nice cafe or warung before, I think. And this is the situations at the moment, guys. Sad to see it. Nice warung was gone. And here, there is a new shop. Star Chef School. Would you like to learn how to do surfing? Maybe you can come here. And that in the front of us, that is the UN's hotel. I don't know if it's open or not, but the signs say there, rooms available, guys. So I'm guessing this hotel is open. Yeah, it says room available here, and this is the number. And we can see a little bit from outside. The hotel looks open, nice garden, swimming pool there. And all the lights are on. Yeah. Is it your favorite hotel to stay?
That's Krishna.
Hello. Yes, I'm Krishna. Nice to meet you.
Monica, hi.
Hello, sir.
We're from Germany.
Ah, you're from Germany.
Yeah, we
I
look
see.
many videos from you.
Ah, thank you.
Street view.
Thank you for watching my video, yeah?
Cool.
How's holiday? Good?
Yeah, it's fine, yeah.
Ah, okay.
We came here this week on Tuesday.
Ah, okay.
3 days now here.
I see. Is this your first time to Bali?
Yeah, first time. Bali.
Oh, welcome, yeah? I hope you enjoy.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, really nice to meet you, and I really appreciate for watching my video.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
So where are you going now? To the beach,
We
maybe?
should go to massage.
Ah, okay. Okay, thank you, yeah?
Thank you.
You go to
I
massage
go to,
also?
no massage. No.
Just walk around.
Yeah, walk around.
Okay. Maybe you can make a video walk around. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. It's nice actually to meet the viewers here. They are from Germany and this is their first time to Bali. And they are enjoying their holiday so far. So for you that planning to come to Bali, let's come and I hope you will enjoy your holiday, guys. Well, it's really busy street here and you need to be careful when you walk. There's no footpath basically.
Nggak lama sih sini.
Wow. Okay, it's a bit quiet now. But anyway, all the shops should have nice stuff, nice hats, dresses. But seems they don't have their price tag, yeah. And here, what is this? Yum Yum? Well, it's quite busy, no? Yum Yum. And here, if you go to the left, you will go to Jalan Banasari in Kuta. And if you go to the right, you will go to Popis Lane too, guys. There are two famous warung, Pac-Man and Mandeni, Sate Mandeni. But this time, let's keep walking to this side. This street will lead us to go to Jalan Legian. Let's have a look this area, guys, because it's been quite a long time that I didn't come here. And here on the left side, this is part of the Lawalon Hotel, I think. And they have the restaurants, the bar, you can watch sports game. What is that, rugby maybe, yeah? And there in front of the hotel, money changer. This kind of money changer is good to change money. Circle K, you can do some shopping and bar again, warung. Airbnb, kitchen and bar. There are a lot of tattoo studio, guys. Here, tattoo studio. There, the opposite side is tattoo studio. At the back there, also tattoo studio. But this one, I think this is new place. What is this? Bandinere, pizza and cocktails. I never see it before. And here is another bar. What is the name of this bar? I think Hooters, maybe. But it seems not really busy. Maybe it's too early. After dinner, probably busy. 16 bar, if you want to play. Hello. If you want to play pool table, you can play there. There on the right side also another bar, and here's sushi bar. If you like party or visit bars, I think this area can be an option, guys, because you have a lot of options. For me, maybe it's a bit too loud, yeah. A lot of music from one bar to another bar. So yeah, it's a bit loud, but if you like party, I think that place is really good. And we are arriving here at Jalan Legian, guys. Wow, look at that. As usual, traffic jam here. All the way, guys. I think until the ground zero there, traffic jam. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again on the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.